Welcome back to another video. Today we got two things. We got the new icon boxes from Harbor Freight. They are in the not at the stores. Not all the stores have them. Maybe they might have few of them in stock in the back or something. But yeah, the website does have them, and I guess it's ready to order or ready for people to order. It says as you guys can see. And the next thing that we have a 30% off coupon. So it's pretty much any coupon, any item under $10. And if you guys have any questions or don't know what to buy, or if you want to have some ideas, I do have a couple videos out there. I'll see if I can link them up above. 5 things you can buy with that 30% off coupon. I did go use it today. So I did went into Harbor Freight today and use that coupon, so it does work. Before we get to that, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more 2 reviews, 2 deals. Like I said, I did go today Harbor Freight and use this coupon. It does work. They do take the 30% off 30% off. I was reading online that not online, but on the social media, Facebook and Reddit, that you can actually use this more than 5 items. I don't know. I wouldn't do it myself. But if you want to try it out, having more items than 5 at once, hey, try it out if that's what you want to do. But for me, I just used. I think I bought just a couple items, or one or 2 items. I can't. Oh yeah, I got 1 item and then I got a free item. I just tested out the coupon. But yeah, like I said, feel free. Coupon says 30% off any item under $10. Limit 5. Valid now through September 22nd. So you guys got a few days here. Limit 1 per coupon per day. It says valid in store only. Save 30% on 5 items under $10 purchase. Cannot be used with any other discounts or coupons. Not valid on prior purchases. Non-transferable. Original coupon must be presented. Valid through 9/22. Okay. So that is the coupon here. If you guys can't read, I'll read it to you guys. It's 14826310000 and 1. So that is the coupon code. Feel free to take a screenshot and use this coupon when you go to Harbor Freight. Just show them that coupon. And all right, yeah, that's it for that part. And back to the icon. New item here. Yeah, so we got some new items. They recently just updated this. Went all over the Facebook and all over the social media. Everybody's all excited about these. But yeah, just one thing that I saw right off the bat and wasn't really excited about is the prices. I don't know if you guys know, but there was an article before, or not an article, but some images that were shown before. I'll see if I can get those images. It says Icon beats the leader 56-inch toolbox cabinet. Icon 56135. That is the model number or the item number for this box. It says 56-inch by 25 by 45. So, and this is the competitor on the other side. It says price for just the box is $2,499. Competitor $6,775. Total price of the full system, which is the hutch and the end caps and the lockers and all that, $7,294. Yeah, that's. I don't know what Harbor Freight's doing or not, but they're making this. They're making this. This pay. I don't know if this is a coupon or it was a leaked coupon or not. But people saw this already, so they're not really. From what I saw, people are not really excited about the price. So Harbor Freight, if you're listening, make sure you listen to the people, read the comments. Especially with other YouTubers too, when they show these boxes, when they talk about these boxes. Oh, and just to let you know, we do have our YouTuber, the Den of Tools, just uploaded a video about a box he got from an icon box he got from Harbor Freight. So they did send him an icon box. He did a review on it. He just did with a quick assembly and review. Obviously, it's not the long-term review, but he did a detailed review. And if you want to go check out his video, it's called, well, not the video, but his channel is the Den of Tools. So just Den of Tools. And make sure you check him out. Check out that video so you guys can look at this box. It is the 56-inch, by the way. So you guys could check that box out and see what you think. Anyways, let's see here. Let's start with the first one. Okay, the first one is 36 by 25 professional rollers cabinet in red. So currently we just have this one in red. It's going to be available in all the colors, as you guys see right there. It says this is 36 by 25 professional cabinet, availability for colors: red, blue, black, green. All icon storage, comes with free door-to-door delivery, lifetime guarantee, warranty plus line of replacement parts available. So total price for this is $2,699.99. The only thing we could do as Harbor Freight customers, fans, reviewers, YouTubers, and spectators, watchers, whatever you want to call yourselves, subscribers, the only thing you could do is comment on all the videos on these boxes and just tell them, hey, the price is high. We were planning on paying this much, and that will give Harbor Freight more like a price where they can set their their base. So definitely go check out the Den of Tools, watch that video, and leave him a comment down below and let him know, or let them know that, because Harbor Freight does watch his videos, obviously, because they send him a box. But yeah, make sure you comment there and explain whatever, or ask any questions that you want, including in this video. You guys could comment on this video and his video. It says Icon 36 rollers cabinets. I gotta say the green one looks real nice. Like the green and blue, those are nice. 4 colors available. It says 2,000 pound rated casters, 14 gauge, 16 gauge, double wall steel frame, 265 pound rated sides or slides per pair. So 265 pound per pair on each of the slides. I guess they do have double slide on this drawer. And they do have convenient exterior power, so they do have that USB ports and the power. That is the box itself on the side view or the front view. And those are the bearings there, the rollers. Casters there is with the nice springs and brakes. And that is the side view of the rollers there. Alright, let's go back. Let's look at this one's the one that has the bear has. So if you guys want to look at the live view, just gonna look at that. Yeah, I gotta say these boxes are awesome. Hopefully Harbor Freight will lower the price so I can afford one. Obviously we're not rich, we're working class people. So yeah, definitely. And by the way, don't think that you're never going to have a chance of getting something like this, or a U.S. General. Harbor Freight, it is going to offer a credit card, I believe, so you can do monthly payments. I don't know exactly how that works. I guess, the Den of Tools did make a video of that, so he did explain how that's going to work. So you guys could apply for that as soon as it's available. That's the front view. Casters, like I said, nice casters. Same thing with the other one, same pictures. It's basically the same box but bigger. And this is the big boy, the 72 or 73, my bad. 73 by 25. Yeah, These boxes are awesome. They do have a hutch for these. Yeah, like the green one with black. Definitely my favorite color. Black casters. That's the sides. Yeah, so definitely let me know what you guys think. I'm just gonna go over that because I don't want to make this video too long. But yeah, let me know what you think on the comments. Let me know what you would expect to pay for something like this. It is higher quality than the U.S. General, so don't be putting like $1,000 or $500. But look at other competitors. Me personally, I would think about whatever this is, $2,499. I think this is a decent price. Maybe that or a little bit more. I think that's a decent price for something like this. Definitely recommend you guys, if you guys are interested in these boxes, I would recommend you guys, put your opinion out there, your feelings, and let us know what you think in this video and other videos. Even in other videos that you watch from other YouTubers that are testing icon tools, make sure you comment down below and let them know what's going on. Let them know how you feel. Anyways, just thought I want to share this with you guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one.